Alright, hey guys, you can take a look and see a pretty sod. It looks really good. Just needs some watering, just so you know. Some nice Georgia grass. Looks real good. I'm walking, as you can see, this stick right there and that stick all the way down. See if I can show you. Down there is your property line. So I'm walking alongside of your property line as I show you the yard. So your yard comes, actually that wasn't your stick for the property line, because then that would mean you would have a 10-foot backyard, and that's not the case. That is the property line for the other property down on the corner there. So your lawn goes to, I'd say, there should be a stick right around here, because if you look down, there's several sticks all the way down. So, but that's about the size of your backyard there. It's a pretty good sized yard. You will be disappointed on the inside because there's no major improvements that have been done. Only the staining of the rails that I can notice have been done. So I'm going to move pretty quickly through these rooms. Alright. Nice pretty stain on the rails. See what's been done in here. Nothing. Ooh, there you go. So in the last week, they've stained the rails, put in that nice sod, joke, and put up a door in the shower. So, way to go, guys. Alright. Enjoy.